Alexa here from the blog, theduvallhomestead.com, and today I'm going to be making a lamb pumpkin chili. I was inspired to make this lamb pumpkin chili because I'm doing a chili cook-off with a few of my friends through blogging, and we are all sharing a chili recipe because for the month of October, usually people are making chili and it's football season and it's just a warm, cozy fall dinner that I really like to make a lot of for leftovers. You can have them for lunch, you can freeze chili. It's just the best huge meal that you can make for a lot of people that is filling and healthy and delicious. So first you're going to roast the onion and the garlic at 375 degrees with a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top for about 30 minutes. Cut up 3 to 5 carrots. Meanwhile, you're going to ground your lamb in a cast iron skillet. Once your onion and garlic are done roasting in the oven, you can add them with the pumpkin and the bone broth to a Dutch oven or an Instant Pot and blend them with an immersion blender. Next, you'll want to add your beans, carrots, salt, pepper, and spices, and the lamb, and simmer that on medium heat for about 30 minutes. You're going to add fresh parsley on top and a little bit of cream, and then you stir and you're ready to serve. We like to serve this with grated cheese on top and maybe avocado and pumpkin seeds if you have them. Alright, well that's it. It's a pretty easy chili recipe really. As long as you have bone broth and meat and some pumpkin and beans, you're good to go. I hope you enjoy this chili recipe. If you make it, make sure you let me know on Instagram or Facebook so I can see, and make sure you check out the other chili recipes that I will link below this video. It's a chili cook-off, so you can have all sorts of different kinds of chili depending on what you and your family like. Alright, well if you're brand new to my page, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead in Duvall. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duvall Homestead.